So you've always wanted to put carbon fiber on your car, but you were wondering if it's worth the price and if it's actually going to do any benefits in weight reduction on your car? Well, guess what? Today I have an awesome video showing you my brand new carbon fiber hood setup and accessories. So without further ado, join me and let's dive right into it. And we're in the warehouse, and as you can see, the GR Yaris is about to be on the hoist, and let me show you what we're gonna install today. So as you can see here, I have my stock hood, and there's a huge box over there. I wonder what that's gonna mean. I guess you know what I'm talking about. Let's install a brand new hood on my GR Yaris and let me show you how to do that. Let's dive right into it. Okay, let's start removing the stock hood. So as you can see, there are 4 screws, 2 on each side. When you remove that, make sure to set something on the car so you don't have the hood getting scratched or scratching anything. And as you can see, just like that, the hood is already removed. Now let's check how heavy the stock hood is before replacing it with my new hood. I'll be using a suitcase weighing device that you get in airports usually, and let's see what is the value of how much we measure with this stock hood that is out of aluminum on the GR Yaris.
6.4 kilos.
So to be honest, that is already pretty damn light for a stock hood. I was expecting it to be heavier, but let's see what we got here from Luxury Works in Switzerland. First thing I want to say is look at to what extent the guys from Luxury Works actually go to in wrapping your parts. I mean, they fabricated out of wood little brackets, as you see here, left and right, that are screwed to the obviously stock screwing areas there that I'm removing right now. So that really allows a super reliable and safe transport within Switzerland or Europe. So let's see how heavy it is, but it definitely looks very light just on the video.
3.9 kilos. 3.91 kilos. Not bad.
Wow, that is nearly half the weight of the stock hood. I mean, it's true. Some people will think it's ridiculous to put a carbon hood on a car that already has an aluminum one to begin with. But honestly, it looks amazing, first of all. And the other thing is, gaining weight in an area that is so high within the vehicle really allows to have an impact on the center of gravity. So, you know, this is why Toyota also put a carbon roof in their car, is to basically reduce weight very high up in the car to avoid basically having heavy metal sheets in the roof and thus negatively impacting the center of gravity and lifting it up. So as you can see here, the hood is already on. I think it took me maybe 30 minutes. I had to adjust the fenders a little bit because that is just part of the game. Installing hoods will always need a bit of adjusting, but I did not need to cut or modify anything. And as you can see, the fitment is like OEM style. So it's really very clean and I love how it looks. And on top of that, it's super lightweight. So I want to say a huge thank you to Stefan at Luxury Works, because boy does this change the look of my car. I don't think it's gonna change the handling of my car that much, but it definitely looks amazing and it is a functional part. So I am very thankful for them to sponsor me and support me in this race season with these awesome parts that in a normal time I would probably not go through the effort of buying. So there you go, that's my first ever carbon hood that I had in any of my cars in my life. So this is a pretty special moment for me. And a few days later, I installed the mud flaps that Carbon Arts as well sent me over. And I must say, although sadly my car is pretty dirty, I'm sorry, they do prevent rocks and things flying on the rear of the car, which is really good, and they look amazing. And they're made of true handmade carbon fiber, made in Switzerland. So these also are a very awesome little piece to add to my carbon fiber accessories on my GR Yaris, and I really love how they look. Okay, we're back in the office. So just to summarize this video, I want to say first and foremost a huge thank you to Stefan at Luxury Works. Their brand Carbon Arts is absolutely amazing. Their products are true made in Switzerland products, and they are, and I didn't say it yet, they are 100% road legal, sold with homologation and even the DTC document. So it's like a crash test document that proves that these hoods are safe for street use, not only in Switzerland, but also in Europe, which is absolutely amazing. They are quite pricey though. A hood like this will set you back roughly 3 grand, but I've never seen, and to be honest, I sell a lot of carbon fiber parts and FRP parts, and this has to be amongst the nicest carbon parts I've ever installed and put on my car. As you could see, in less than 30 minutes it was installed. And not to brag or anything, but even the main Toyota dealerships in Switzerland actually offer this hood as an original Toyota accessory for customers that are in Switzerland. So this shows just how good the quality is. As you could also see, I decided to choose the same color carbon fiber as the wrap of the forged carbon on the roof, because honestly I liked it better how it looks, and the end result really looks amazing, and it does totally transform the look of the car, and there is a considerable weight reduction high within the body frame of the car, which actually helps to reduce the center of gravity in your car. So is it worth the money? Well, honestly, I think absolutely. And I've always wanted to have one, and I'm very happy that I finally decided to go down that route. So thank you so much, Stefan, once again, and thank you everybody for watching. And this is gonna close this little series of videos that I decided to do for all the companies that decided to sponsor me and my racing team this year. And now we're gonna dive into racing videos. So next video will be an introduction to a whole new series that I will be making that is basically my full race season as Jesse Hanshin from Jesse Spec. And I want you to come with me on this adventure of the 2023 Slalom Swiss Championship that I'm going to be racing in. So anyway, thank you so much everybody for sticking around until the end, and look forward to the next videos, and I'll be uploading a little bit more often. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one really soon. Peace.